Welcome to Medical Billing Mastery Academy. Hello and welcome. My name is Motsoka and I would like to personally welcome you to the Medical Billing Mastery Academy. First of all, congratulations on taking this step. Whether you are here because you want to start a new career, work from home, create an additional income stream, or start your own medical billing business, you are in the right place. Medical billing is one of the most valuable skills in the healthcare industry. Every day, doctors provide medical services to patients. However, behind every successful medical practice is a system that ensures the doctor gets paid accurately and on time. That is where medical billers come in. Medical billers help medical practices manage patient accounts, submit claims to medical aids, follow up unpaid claims, recover outstanding revenue, and reconcile payments. They also provide reporting that helps practices make better business decisions. The reality is that many doctors lose thousands every month because of weak financial systems. Medical billers help solve these problems, and that is exactly what you are going to learn in this program. The best part is that you do not need a medical degree. You simply need the right knowledge, the right systems, and the willingness to learn. This course has been designed for complete beginners. I am going to explain concepts in a simple way, step by step, so that even someone with no previous experience can understand and apply what they learn. By the end of this program, you will understand the complete medical billing process from start to finish. Let me show you what we will be covering. In Module 1, we learn the foundations. Module 2 explores the South African healthcare system and medical aids. Module 3 covers medical terminology. In Module 4, we learn ICD-10 coding. Module 5 covers procedure codes and tariffs. In Module 6, we'll learn patient registration and authorizations. Module 7 covers practice management systems. Module 8 is the complete claim submission process. Module 9 is about remittance advice and analysis. In Module 10, we focus on rejected claims. Module 11 covers medical aid follow-up. Module 12 is about patient collections and outstanding accounts. Module 13 covers weekly reconciliations. Module 14 is reporting and KPI management. Module 15 covers POPIA, compliance, and ethical responsibilities. Module 16 is about managing multiple doctors. Module 17 covers starting your own medical billing business, including pricing, contracts, and onboarding. And finally, in Module 18, we learn how to find, market to, and sign medical billing clients to build a sustainable business and generate recurring income. By the time you complete this program, you will have the knowledge, skills, tools, and confidence to work as a professional medical biller. My advice to you is simple. Take your time. Complete each module in order. Do the practical exercises. Practice what you learn. And most importantly, remember that every expert was once a beginner. You simply need to commit to learning one lesson at a time. I am excited to guide you through this journey. Thank you for joining the Medical Billing Mastery Academy. Let's get started. Let's begin building your future in medical billing. Subscribe for practical guidance with Simply Motsoka. I will see you inside Module 1. Next, we'll dive into Module 1 to explore the foundations of medical billing. See you there.